Don't talk rubbish. Don't talk rubbish. Learn driving. Learn driving. It's morning. It's morning. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Try to understand. Try to understand. Serve the food. Serve the food. It's raining. It's raining. Use your brain. Use your brain. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Find a job. Find a job. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. Don't forget. Don't forget. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Start a job. Start a job. Let him take time. Let him take time. Operate the machine. Operate the machine. Stop the chatter. Stop the chatter. Can I ask a favor? Can I ask a favor? See him off. See him off. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. It's thundering. It's thundering. Roll the breads. Roll the breads. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. You will learn English. You will learn English. Open the cover. Open the cover. Don't shout. Don't shout. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. You are coward. You are coward. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. He has diabetes. He has diabetes. How to roll the chapati. How to roll the chapati. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. Shut the door. Shut the door. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. He's gonna win. He's gonna win. Gonna means going to. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. He will win. He will win. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. She is dumb. She is dumb. I have to think. I have to think. Close the window. Close the window. Enjoy it a lot. Enjoy it a lot. Protect others. Protect others. It will do the work. It will do the work. Let me think. Let me think. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Birds flew. Birds flew. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. Don't be smart. Don't be smart. He is irritating. He is irritating. I tried. I tried. When will we meet again? When will we meet again? He is emotional. He is emotional. What's new? What's new? He is sad. He is sad. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.